A lot of machines out there with legacy products.
Machines may have been invented before the internet was the internet.
Every machine benefits from some sort of condition monitoring or analysis to see if the machine's going to fail.
So there's this machine shop, got beautiful Herco, Vertical, he's got some other machines, and they have this lathe. None of them can make this one part to the precision that he needs. It's a really important part. It's in a high-tech system, and that part can only be made on that legacy piece of equipment.
In any factory, if you talk to the plant manager, you say, hey, what are the top 2-3 machines that are the most critical to your business? And it's not unusual for them to start with those machines. Now, some of those machines may already be smart, and they just haven't been utilizing. It's a silo of information. They haven't been able to pull it, interrogate it, contextualize it, put it with others, and do predictive.
Some of the existing equipment can be actually tied in very simply with devices that act as an IoT gateway. Even if it's a really old machine, the only thing you can access that is with digital data, maybe 24-volt signals to bring that data into I/O terminals, even if DeviceNet or Serial or Aussie.
So as long as the system can speak, there are no limits what you can connect, and that you get the same data out of these different machine tools or whatever equipment you have on the shop floor.
Legacy machines, we can connect to them. You can either run that analytics right at the cell level. You can bring that into an enterprise server, or even run that on the cloud for, let's say, an OEM that's distributing their machines to end users around the world.
We have a lot of machines out there with legacy products, and a lot of the machines have Windows NT or XP. The initiatives out there are to bring their machines up to Windows 10 that allows them to connect to their networks and opens the doors for digitalization.